Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make your HP OmniBook 5 flip laptop faster. So, the most essential thing to keep your laptop running fast is keeping it up to date, which you can do by both downloading the most recent Windows updates, as well as some specific hardware updates for your device. The first kind of updates can be downloaded straight in your settings. So go to your settings, check Windows Update on the sidebar, click Check for Updates, then don't forget to go to Advanced Options right here and select some optional updates. Sometimes you will find some very important driver updates in here. Right now I only have this one optional Windows Update, which is not required. It's not really important for keeping your device fast. Okay, so we have some security update here installing. Let it be installed. And if you want to download some specific updates for your device, you're gonna have to download HP Support Assistant application. I'm not gonna show you exactly how to download it. It's really simple. It's available on the official HP website. So you just have to search for HP Support Assistant and download the setup file from the official website. And you don't have to create any account here. You can enter this application as guest. Now let's close this window. To check for updates here, click Updates and let this application check for available updates. If it finds anything, you'll be able to check the updates that you want to install. For example, all kinds of drivers that your device needs, and they are all specific to your exact model. So once you install this application, it will automatically detect your device's exact model and will provide you with all the software and software updates that you need. Now you can also optimize your device's work here by going to the third tab on the sidebar on the left and launching the Performance Optimizer. So let's launch it. Doing this from time to time will also help us keeping our device running fast. So in this menu, just click Next and let the program do its thing. Okay, so now we have the standard optimization, and then we can also select some additional options like System File Checker, emptying Recycle Bin, cleaning web browser's history, cookies and cache, disabling search indexing, and enabling storage sense. So let's use all this feature except for the first one because it's just gonna take a lot of time. But if you have a lot of time, then also check your system files to make sure that your system runs as fast as it possibly can. Okay, so it took less than a minute for the optimization process. Now let's get more practical. So let's close this app and let's actually increase our device's speed. To do that, right-click the battery icon on your taskbar, select Power and Sleep settings. Then here, go to Power mode, and now change it from Balance to Best Performance. I recommend doing so for plugged in, and optionally you can also enable Best Performance for on battery option, since this laptop is basically designed to be used without a charger. You can also enable Best Performance for on battery. Now, most laptops simply will discharge faster when they are set to Best Performance on battery. But you can use either a balanced option or Best Performance option for on battery setting. Now the next thing that we can do, and we should do, is get rid of the startup applications that we don't need. Now to do so, right click the taskbar, then go to Task Manager. And now in Task Manager, we're gonna have to select Startup Apps tab right here. Sort them by status column. The one with the enabled status will launch on your device's startup, so they will turn on when your device turns on. So if you don't want some of these applications to turn on along with your laptop, just right-click such application and then select Disable, and this will prevent this app from launching on your startup. I don't have any apps that I don't need to start up here. Basically, these are all the essential apps, but maybe you have some game launchers here, maybe you have some messengers here. In such case, just disable the ones that you don't need to keep your device running faster, first of all, to make it launch faster, and also to make it work faster during your work time, because this way there will be less applications running in the background on your laptop. And the next thing is basically just keeping your device clean, especially in terms of your web browser. So your web browser, which is one of the most common things that you probably use on your laptop, can actually use up a lot of your RAM memory, which we can check in the Task Manager. If we go, for example, to the Performance section and open our Memory tab here, you'll be able to see that opening more and more tabs in our browser, even if they are all empty, actually increases the RAM memory usage, and it gets increased like drastically. I can in this case it doesn't really affect our RAM memory, most probably because these pages aren't loaded yet, or because I haven't spent any time on them. But generally speaking, the more tabs you have here, the more RAM memory is occupied on your laptop. Therefore, I recommend just closing the tabs that you don't use while you're not using them. And this will drastically drop the amount of RAM memory usage on your laptop. Yeah, and so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.